The first and main symptom of cervical spondylosis is pain in the neck portion of the spine. It occurs due to compression of the spinal cord and nerve roots from disc herniation, bone spurs, or thickened ligaments. In most cases, the pain of cervical spondylosis increases with movement. The reason for this phenomenon is compression of nerve roots during movement of the cervical vertebrae. Pain in the arms may be a symptom of cervical spondylosis. It occurs due to compression of nerves that extend into the arms through the neck portion of the spine. Besides pain, cervical spondylosis can cause weakness, numbness, and cramping in the arms. These conditions arise due to nerve compression, too. In severe cases, cervical spondylosis can cause compression of the spinal cord and difficulty walking, loss of balance, and impaired coordination. In very rare cases, when cervical spondylosis causes compression of the spinal cord, bowel and bladder incontinence may occur.